Blackstone Audio presents The Ice Balloon, Essay Andrée and the Heroic Age of Arctic Exploration by Alec Wilkinson. This book is read by John Pruden. For Sarah Barrett and Sam Wilkinson. 1. In August of 1930, a Norwegian sloop, the Brattvåg, sailing in the Arctic Ocean, stopped at a remote island called White Island. The Brattvåg was partly on a scientific mission led by a geologist named Dr. Gunnar Horn and partly out sealing. On the second day, the sealers followed some walruses around a point of land. A few hours later, they returned with a book which was sodden and heavy and had its pages stuck together. The book was a diary, and on the first page, someone had written in pencil, "The Sledge Journey, 1897. Horn rowed to shore with the Brattvåg's captain, who said that two sealers dressing walruses had grown thirsty and gone looking for water. By a stream, Horn wrote, they found an aluminum lid which they picked up with astonishment, since White Island was so isolated that almost no one had ever been there. Continuing, they saw something dark protruding from a snowdrift, an edge of a canvas boat. The boat was filled with ice, but within it could be seen a number of books, 2 shotguns, some clothes and aluminum boxes, a brass boat hook, and a surveyor's tool called a theodolite. Several of the objects had been stamped with the phrase, Andrée's Pole Exp. 1896. Near the boat was a body. It was leaning against a rock, with its legs extended, and it was frozen. On its feet were boots partly covered by snow. Very little but bones remained of the torso and arms. The head was missing, and clothes were scattered around, leading Horn to conclude that bears had disturbed the remains. He and the others carefully opened the jacket the corpse was wearing, and when they saw a large monogram A, they knew whom they were looking at. S.A. Andrée, the Swede who 33 years earlier, on July 11, 1897, had ascended with 2 companions in a hydrogen balloon to discover the North Pole. Before the 20th century, more than 1,000 people tried to reach the pole, and according to an accounting made by an English journalist in the 1930s, at least 751 of them died. Only Andrée used a balloon. He had left on a blustery afternoon from Danes Island in the Spitsbergen archipelago 600.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?